Hello, welcome to our Early Learning SF video tutorial channel. We hope you find our videos helpful as we will show you how to navigate the Early Learning SF website using a computer or a mobile phone. For this video tutorial topic, we will show you how to fill out an Early Learning SF application using your mobile phone. You then want to click on the section that says Family Income, and here you would be able to provide us your family size and your family monthly income before taxes. Once you're done, click Save, and you would be able to go to Program Preference. Here, you will be asked what your start date would be, and if you're needing childcare within the next few months, we encourage families to leave the start date the day you actually applied on Early Learning SF, just so your application can start receiving any potential matches if anything becomes available for your child. In the case that you are open to having a part day program, there is a box here that you can click to indicate that you're interested in part day as well. Otherwise, you can let us know what your preferred schedule is throughout the week is, and once you're done, you may click Save. For the next section, you want to click on Location, and here you can let us know where in San Francisco you wish to find childcare. We encourage families to think of locations that would be convenient for them to search for childcare, whether that be near their home, work, sibling school, or a family member or a friend that could or that will support with the drop off and pickup. Please know you may add up to 3 locations. By default, you will be asked to provide an address, and you just want to put one that is convenient for you. You then want to let us know the distance you want to search within that address, and you can use the slider by decreasing or increasing the mile radius. Once you scroll up, there is a section that will ask if you want the program below. By clicking this option, you're indicating that you only want to search within the locations you've provided below. If you do not select that option, then you're letting us know that you want to search for childcare throughout San Francisco. In the case that you want to add another location, click Add Location, and you can search for childcare by address, zip code, or neighborhood. Once you're done, click Save, and you can go to the next section.